to curfew, everyone. Everyone to their own rooms.
Josie?
5 minutes to curfew, everyone. 5 minutes, everyone. Miss Baxter, where is Miss Trent?
I'm sure she'll be back on time.
5 minutes, Mr. Wheeler.
If Josie misses curfew again, she's so suspended.
What has she been doing at night anyway?
Well, thanks for the ride. It was cool of your dad to let us take his limo.
Well, he's been much cooler lately. I still don't think I'll tell him I was crowd surfing.
You weren't bad for a first-timer.
Really?
Well, if you pushed off with your legs, you'd get more air. But you'll get better.
Wait, think you could teach me the finer points?
Totally sure. How about, tomorrow night?
Tomorrow?
Well, Old School 101 is playing at the Gas Lamp. They totally rock.
Yeah, it's a date. It's 11 o'clock. You missed curfew.
And so did you.
No, I don't have curfew. I'm staying at my dad's, remember?
It's only 10:50. We still have 10 minutes.
Mine says 11. Your watch must be...
Slow. I gotta go.
Whoa.
Miss Trent, I'm sure you have a fascinating explanation for this.
I do. My watch is broken.
Broken watch or not, that is no excuse for tardiness. I'm afraid I have no alternative but to...
I can stop time.